That was so amazing. Here I think I need to add some water. The mechanic came and he really messed up with everything. Everything is not in their position, so everything need to be made up. Yeah, you see, like these ones are not in their position. They need to be made up. At least now it is a little bit better, it can pick. But this is where we have the issue, guys. You see, this is where we have the issue. This sensor is what is causing this vehicle not to pick full lace. This one we tried to modify. It is not its original thing. Yeah, it is not its original thing, but I'm really looking for its original one so that I can see if it's going to pick. Everything is just disordered. There is nothing also here. This is the fuse box. There is nothing also here to to cover it. Everything was dismantled. Look at the wiring, guys. Look at it. This needs a whole one day, for it to be amended, because everything is very disordered. Very disordered. But the key thing is all about a sensor, yeah. The vehicle, I haven't used the vehicle like 1 year. One good year. Yeah, one good year. The plug, they are new, everything is in here is new. Engine was new. The gearbox down there is also very new. But the wiring issue, someone just came, did his thing, but at the end of the day he never amended them as it should be. Let me just show you what was done here inside. The same case here, the wires. You see, everything is wires, guys. Wires. I have my own make, but he did not diagnose the real issue, and it became a little bit more tricky. Look at everything. Everything here is very much disordered. This is the gearbox computer. This is the gearbox computer. Yeah, this one is now the one that tells you we are changing from this number to another. This one has no issue, and everything there that you can see is all about the gearbox, guys. Here we have the throttle. We initially thought it was this, so we changed. Nothing, guys. Yeah, is another part. We also did a little bit of we changed this one. Yeah, nothing changed. The same baggage is back here, guys. Look, we even have this one. Is it this one, eh? This one is for counting speed, but it has its own, you can see. But we really wanted to replace that with this. You see, you can see parking, you can see levers, you can see neutral, you can see drive, gear number 2 and gear number 1, guys. And this vehicle can go all the way to 180. In fact, it should be slide to 180 because you can see where 180 is. That it should go up to 200. 200 is very high. That's the fuel. The vehicle is off. So today I just decided, it was very instrumental to come and just do some kickstart, guys. But we are having a lot of these things. They dismantled almost everything. They dismantled almost everything. This is the battery that I'm really using for restarting if it has an issue, and it has really helped me, guys. It has really helped me. So the battery is very small, but it has a lot of power. It has a lot of power. So guys, that is the solution. So the vehicle has been in the parking for about 1 year. One good year, guys. See all these sensors. This one now is where you put the computer in and it reads all the error, that has the car. The wires, you can see everything here is naked. We call them naked wires. Naked wires. This is now the control panel of the vehicle. Look at all these fuses. This one, I think, I don't know why this one is also like this. I saw it, yeah, it is here. This one should cover here. That one should cover there. This one, it is for fuel, and another one now goes to the gear. This one is starter. You can see it is giving some action even when the vehicle is off. Yeah, this one is now for the starter. That creaking sound inside there, that one is the starter. I can see. Why is it on? Let me disconnect the battery and see if it's going to go off, because I can see it on. I can see it on. Yes. Sawa.